Welcome to Copley Library's website. This site will serve as the main portal to many resources that will support your coursework and research at USD. I recommend that you bookmark the library's homepage on your favorite internet browser. You can also access the library's website via the My San Diego portal. Open the Torero Hub tab and click on Library. Also, a dedicated research guide or LibGuide containing recommended databases, journals, and other resources was created for your program. Bookmark the guide for easy access. As distance learning students, you will rely heavily upon the library to access resources necessary for coursework and research. During this video, you may notice me using USD1 credentials to access resources. This is normal for off-campus access. The library's homepage has different tabs that we'll talk about today, starting with the catalog. The catalog is where you can search for items like books or DVDs owned by Copley Library. For example, if I'm looking for the book Black Software, I can quickly type the keyword Black Software into the search box. Another page will open to display the results ranked by relevance at the default. You can also change the results sorting by date, title, and author. You will also have options to refine your search by format or location or publication date or even by language. You can also search other libraries via WorldCat or Circuit. Let's take a closer look at the Black Software record. Many of Copley Library's physical items are stored in our offsite facility and must be requested if you would like to obtain the item. To request an entire book or a scanned book chapter, click on the Request a Book or Book Chapter link or the Requested button, which opens the Interlibrary Loan page. You will learn more about interlibrary loan in a separate video. Catalog Plus is a discovery layer that pulls articles from some of our databases based on your search. While this is a useful tool to see some potential results, Catalog Plus is not robust enough to disregard deeper database and journal searches. Think of Catalog Plus like Walmart. It's okay for general shopping, but not for the specialty shopping that your research will need. For example, our catalog search for Black Software brought up Copley-owned results that are print and electronic. The Catalog Plus search for Black Software adds additional results from some of our databases, including conference proceedings, reports, and some journal articles. Copley Library has 150 plus databases to support your coursework and research needs. You may search for a database by title or keywords. We have also tagged databases by subject. Select Browse by Subject and Education. Become familiar with these databases. I've linked frequently used ones like Academic Search Premier, Education Source, and ERIC on the LibGuide for you. You will learn how to do deeper searches into these databases in other videos. Use the Journals tab to quickly locate specific publications. We subscribe to many publication types, including peer-reviewed journals, industry or practice publications, magazines, and newspapers. Many relevant learning, design, and technology journals are linked in the program guide for your convenience. For example, Educational Technology, Research, and Development is a key EdTech journal. Searching by journal is a great way to learn which databases you should include in your searches. Be sure to pay attention to the journal's coverage and avoid embargoed content if possible. If I want full text access to the most recent publications from this journal, I'm going to search in Springer Nature journals. You can also find additional information, including journal description, publication frequency, and if the publication is peer-reviewed or not. If your professor places items on Course Reserve, you will access it through the Reserves tab. Reserves access is limited to registered students and instructors of a particular course and is not used for all courses. Check your course syllabus and ask your instructor if any course content is on reserve. Digital USD is our institutional repository. It publishes, preserves, and provides open online access to the scholarship, creative work, original data sets, and archival material produced by or affiliated with the USD community. Digital USD is a great place to see examples of capstone projects and other creative and scholarly work. If at any time you feel that you need more assistance, you can use Copley's chat service, which is staffed during the hours that are listed here. Open the tab and click Chat Now to access the chat service. Or you can email your subject liaison for additional support. This concludes our brief orientation to navigating the library's main tabs. Continue learning about library services and resources like interlibrary loan and how to search specific databases in the other videos.